This is a demonstration of Task Factory. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Twitter source. The Twitter source is a component that will let you pull rows directly from a Twitter account. When using the Twitter source, you first have to create a connection manager. When creating the connection manager, you first have to choose the service, whether you're going to pull from Twitter or LinkedIn. Then you have to provide the API key, the API secret, the token, and the token secret. All the API keys and tokens can be generated from Twitter just by going to apps.twitter.com. Once the connection manager is created, you can choose an API endpoint. The API endpoint will show you a list of different types of data that you can get from Twitter. You can return a list of your followers, friends, even statuses that have been retweeted. Once you've chosen the API endpoints, then the API query appears below that. The query parameters section will let you provide a parameter value so that you can return something specific, say a particular user ID or a particular screen name. And then below that, you have the output columns. Up at the top, if I click the Preview tab and then Preview Data, I can see the list of followers that's returned. And below that, you can view the raw data. This is just one of the many features of Task Factory.